Hello everyone, now we are going to do this question, which is which of the following molecules represent the order of hybridization, which is sp to sp2 sp sp from left to right atoms. So the first option is ch double bond c single bond c and double bond ch, and ch2 double bond ch single bond ch double bond ch2, and ch2 double bond ch single bond C, double bond CH2, and the fourth option is CH3, CH, double bond CH, and CS, single bond CH3. So what we have to basically do, we have these four hybridization, and we have to represent them in the order of hybridization from left to right. So the order of hybridization among these we have to find out for the most suitable one. So according to that we have to just uh, allot these from left to right. Suppose we have to find out for the first sp2 then sp then sp. So let's see which will be the correct answer. Yeah, so we have taken this ch2 double bond ch single bond c is triple bond ch, and how is this the correct answer? This is the correct answer at the number of orbital required in hybridization is equal to the number of sigma bonds around each carbon atom. So basically it said that the number of orbital required in the hybridization, means the orbital required in the hybridization all should be equal to the number of sigma bonds in each carbon atom. So it sees that number of each carbon atom, that here is the sp2, here is also the sp2, because double bond is over here, and mean sigma bonds are over here, and here is only the one sigma bond, so it is sp, and here is also the one sigma bond, so it's sp, and here both they are two sigma bonds, so it's sp2. So the correct answer will be option second. That's what correct. Sorry, option third is the correct answer. I'm sorry, I got the wrong, because the I didn't know about the option, so the third option will be the correct option. I thought it was the second option. Sorry.